Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a recipe which is called Sultani Dal. You'll be wondering why this dal is called Sultani. The reason is it has got absolutely rich, amazing ingredients which makes this dal simply flavorful. So let's get on with the recipe. Let me heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets hot, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds have spluttered, I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste and a heaped teaspoon of garlic paste, 5 green chilies finely chopped. Saute this on a medium flame for a minute. To this, I'm going to add 2 onions that I have finely chopped. Saute these onions till they're nice and pink. The onions are translucent, they're slightly pink. Let's add some turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder as well. And just mix this, saute it for a minute. Now I'm going to add 2 tomatoes that I have finely chopped. And I'm going to make a nice gravy with this. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of finely chopped mint leaves, half a cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Saute this for a minute. Now what I'm going to do is add dal. I have already boiled 1 cup of tuar ki dal, half a cup of chana dal and half a cup of moong dal. And I'm going to add this to the gravy. I'm going to mix this well and add some salt to this. So while this dal is boiling, we're going to add the main important ingredients of this dish. That is the cream, the curd and the milk. So I've taken 3/4 cup of curd. I'm going to beat this well. Then I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk. And I'm going to add 3/4 cup of cream. Mix this well. Just keep this aside. The dal has been boiling for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add some clove powder and some green cardamom powder. I've taken about a little less than 1/4 teaspoon of each. Mix this well. And now I'm going to switch off the flame and then I'm going to add the cream, the yogurt and the milk. There are chances of the milk curdling and that's the reason why we shut off the flame and then we add this. Mix this well. Our dal is almost done except for the last bit of it, that is tempering it with coal. I have lit a coal over here. The coal is heated and burning really well. I'm going to place it in a steel katori, which I'm going to place in the dal. And to this, I'm going to add a dollop of ghee and then I'm going to immediately cover this and smoke it. And in the next 15 minutes, this dal will be ready to serve. You can have this with a nice garam lachedar paratha or you can have it with steamed rice. It's your choice. But do try this recipe and let me know. For such simple recipes, like, share and subscribe to Get Curried.